Welcome to Chapter 6, AI in Healthcare and Drug Development. We are starting with Section 01, AI Meets Medicine. To build our foundation, we are going to cover 4 areas: why medicine is made of data, the specific jobs AI actually does in healthcare, why these tools are assistants rather than replacements, and finally, the human-in-the-loop rule. Modern healthcare generates billions of data points every single day. Artificial intelligence helps trained professionals sift through that digital mountain to find useful patterns. Which brings us to our first point. 1.1. Why medicine is made of data. A routine patient visit generates multiple pieces of information: vitals, doctor's notes, lab results, medications, and medical images. All these flow into a centralized digital chart known as an electronic health record, or EHR. Machine learning algorithms require massive amounts of historical data to learn and recognize patterns. Because routine medical care automatically creates and stores this continuous digital record, healthcare is an ideal fit for machine learning. This dynamic is exactly why a busy, modern hospital is an AI goldmine. Every day, thousands of new records are added to the vault. Pairing hospital records with confirmed diagnoses produces the high-quality labeled examples that machine learning requires. This training data fuels distinct, narrow AI tools, each built for a specific job like reading a scan or drafting notes. Before we look at those jobs, we need a privacy pause. Health data is sensitive information. If a system needs millions of patient records to learn, how is one individual's record protected? Who is actually allowed to see the data? Who is held responsible if that data leaks? And how do we ensure an algorithm doesn't develop a bias if it's trained on a narrow demographic? The immense sensitivity of the data fueling these specialized tools demands strict operational boundaries. Let's look at what those tools actually do in 1.2, the jobs AI does in healthcare. Almost all medical AI tools fit into 4 broad categories of jobs. The first job is diagnosis and detection. This involves spotting disease in images, scans, and test results, often earlier than the human eye could. The second is drug discovery. AI helps researchers search for and design potential new medicines significantly faster and at a much lower cost. Third is monitoring and prediction. These tools watch a patient's data over time to warn clinicians before a minor problem becomes an active crisis. And the fourth job is operations and paperwork. AI handles patient scheduling and documentation, so human workers can return their focus to the patients. These specialized applications form a broad family of tools built to assist human workers across all 4 arenas. That brings us to subsection 1.3, assistant, not replacement. We should address the idea that hospitals are about to replace physicians with algorithms that diagnose and treat patients on their own. Across healthcare, AI is built to assist clinicians. It reads, sorts, flags, and drafts. The human clinician interprets the data, makes the final decision, and takes ultimate responsibility. The formal software paradigm used in modern medicine is called a Clinical Decision Support System, or CDSS. This diagram shows how a CDSS operates. The system might surface options, highlight a warning, or suggest a pattern to a doctor, deliberately stopping short of making the actual choice. Because these systems can flag risks earlier or draft notes faster, they change how a clinician manages their time. A professional who learns to manage these powerful assistants can focus more attention on their patients, making this technical literacy a core skill in modern medicine. The true value of AI in medicine is acting as a relentless, highly capable assistant, a role that demands human judgment to close the loop on patient care. This necessity for judgment is codified in our final point, 1.4, the human-in-the-loop rule. The human-in-the-loop rule is the single most important design principle in healthcare AI. Because medical mistakes can cause severe physical harm, a qualified human must review, confirm, or have the power to override an AI's output before any action is taken on a patient. There are a few rare, carefully tested exceptions where narrow, autonomous tools operate independently, but even these tightly limited systems are programmed to send uncertain cases straight to a human specialist. Because life and death are on the line, total machine autonomy remains rare, keeping the ultimate burden of responsibility firmly on human shoulders. So we have built the foundation. We know why medicine generates data, what jobs AI performs, why it operates as an assistant, and why a human remains in the loop. Massive amounts of labeled data from electronic health records fuel narrow AI tools. These tools perform specific assistive jobs, always under strict human oversight. This data-to-decision pipeline is the essential bedrock for everything that follows. Next, we will look at the leap of teaching these narrow algorithms how to literally see through medical imaging.